Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to take 50 megapixel photos on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. Okay, so in order to take 50 megapixel photos, you'll need to go to the camera app, then go to photo mode, of course, and now click on this little square in the top left corner, and you can set it to 12 megapixels or 50 megapixels. Now remember, 50 megapixels may seem great and stuff and everything, but and of course it is, because after taking the photo you can zoom in pretty close without losing the quality. But remember, it takes way more storage on your phone, so when it's not needed, it is way better to use the 12 megapixels. Of course, you can, for example, zoom in before taking the photo, like zoom in just like that, to take the better quality one, the better quality zoom. It's still gonna be in 12 megapixels, the full photo that you take. It's just I think 50 megapixels is great only if you want to capture a very large thing that has lots of small details that you later may want to zoom in on. But if it's something that you can zoom in on before taking the picture and just take that zoomed picture, it's gonna look better. I mean, it's gonna look the same. It's gonna take less storage if you choose the 12 megapixel option. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.